In a world overflowing with possessions, the quest for simplicity has never been more relevant. Welcome to Cut the Clutter: How Minimalism Can Transform Your Life, starting today. This documentary will guide you through the principles of minimalism and show you how to start living a more intentional, clutter-free life. Minimalism is a lifestyle that focuses on living with intention and simplicity. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making room for what truly matters. By removing excess, we can find clarity, peace, and greater satisfaction in life. Let's dive into how minimalism can make a profound impact on your daily life. From simplifying your environment and reducing stress to enhancing your productivity and overall well-being. We'll explore how decluttering your space, prioritizing what truly matters, and adopting intentional living practices can lead to a more focused, fulfilling, and balanced lifestyle. Discover the tangible benefits of minimalism and how it can help you achieve clarity, peace of mind, and a renewed sense of purpose in your everyday routines. Minimalism isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what works best for you and focusing on the essentials. When you clear out the unnecessary, you make space for what enriches your life. Embracing minimalism can lead to several transformative benefits. Reduced stress. A clutter-free environment helps reduce visual and mental stress, promoting a calmer state of mind. Increased focus. With fewer distractions, you can direct your energy toward what truly matters. Financial freedom, less spending on non-essential items allows for better financial management and savings. Enhanced clarity. Simplified living can lead to clearer decision-making and a more purposeful life. Interviewee, media. Interviews set up with a person speaking in a tidy home, person sharing their experience in a clean living room. Since I embraced minimalism, I felt less overwhelmed. My home is more organized, and I've found more time for the things I love. It's been life-changing. Ready to start your minimalism journey? Here's a practical guide to integrating minimalism into your daily life. Create a decluttering plan. Assess your space. Begin with one area: your closet, your kitchen, or your workspace. Use the 4-box method. Label 4 boxes: keep, donate, sell, trash. Sort your items accordingly. Set realistic goals. Start with a manageable section and gradually move to other areas. Try the 30-day minimalism game. Challenge yourself. Eliminate 1 item on the first day, 2 items on the second day, and so on for 30 days. Track your progress. Keep a log of items removed and reflect on how your space is changing. Embrace quality over quantity. Invest in durable items. Choose fewer high-quality items rather than accumulating low-quality ones. Make mindful purchases. Before buying, ask if the item will add value to your life. Simplify your digital life. Organize files and emails. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails, delete outdated files, and streamline digital clutter. Evaluate apps. Remove apps that no longer serve a purpose. Practice mindful consumption before buying. Ask yourself if the item is truly needed or if it's just an impulse purchase. Focus on experiences. Prioritize experiences and relationships over material possessions. Cut to interview minimalist lifestyle blogger or coach. Interviewee. Implementing these steps gradually makes the process manageable. The key is to be consistent and mindful in your approach. To maintain your minimalist lifestyle, here are some practical daily tips. Daily decluttering habit. Spend 10 minutes a day. Tidy up or reassess possessions to prevent clutter from building up. Routine check. Evaluate areas that may need attention and address them regularly. Mindful purchasing. Evaluate needs. Consider if an item will truly enhance your life before purchasing. Avoid impulse buys. Wait 24 hours before buying non-essential items to avoid impulsive decisions. Simplify routines, streamline daily tasks. Eliminate unnecessary steps in your routines for greater efficiency. Focus on essentials. Concentrate on the core activities that matter most. Create a minimalist mindset, shift perspective. Focus on appreciating and maximizing what you already have. Reflect regularly. Take time to assess your lifestyle and make adjustments as needed. Embracing minimalism is a journey of transformation, not perfection. By cutting the clutter and focusing on what truly matters, you can create a more intentional and fulfilling life. Are you ready to take the first step towards a simpler, more purposeful existence? Subscribe to our channel for more content on living a meaningful life, and share your minimalism journey in the comments below. Together, let's cut the clutter and embrace a life of clarity and joy.